In order for your business to 10x, in order for you to be the 9, the 8, the 7, you gotta burn some boats in your life. You a boss, you a millionaire, you a billionaire, you a leader, you a queen.
Anything that's gonna help me succeed in this industry. I am spanking brand new in the industry, and I'm excited and looking forward to just learning anything that's gonna help me progress.
This is Robin with the Little Tax Co. and my partners. We're excited to be at Thomas Financial Tax and Business Summit this year. Rosie is an amazing mentor. She really elevates your business and puts you in position for success, and we really look forward to what 2025 brings.
My favorite part about Rosie's mentorship is that she's always available no matter what time it is. If I have a question, I'm definitely going to get an answer within 24 hours. That I'm not going to be lost after I ask the question, and I'm going to be able to go and execute immediately.
What's some advice that you can give to us today about working with these major credit bureaus and that business owners may not know?
Knowing how to build your business utilizing credit from the personal credit side to the business credit side. And as a people, that in order to control your business credit, you have to have good what? Personal credit, right?
What are some of the most common tax deductions for business owners?
Some of the most common business deductions that a lot of business owners do not take advantage of are the Augusta rule. I don't know, is anybody familiar with the Augusta rule? There is a loophole within the IRS. With the Augusta rule, they say, okay, well, hey, you can rent your home out to yourself for up to 14 days out of the year. My business is iTax Solutions. So iTax Solutions can essentially rent from my home. So if I say, okay, well, hey, you know what, I'm gonna charge $2,000 per day. So $2,000, 14 days, that's $28,000. So what you can do now, you can write that off as a business expense, and you just put the money right back in your pocket.
There is something in your space specifically that you want to give to the audience that we can tangibly take with us into 2025.
Plant the right seed so that the right tree can grow and you actually have a fruitful, not just a business, but a fruitful one.
As far as I can see, everybody in here, you alive. Everybody in here, you got opportunity. And what you do with it, that's on you. But you gotta go through different chapters to be where you are right now.
I'm the person that earns a lot of money. You gotta become a high figure earner, period. Everybody in this room next year deserves to be here, deserves to receive the 7-figure award, and I know y'all gonna do it. Drop the mic.